Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I just want to give you guys a quick video of another product that sent to me a couple weeks ago. And it's just, I love the fact when companies reach out to me and want to share these awesome products with you guys. There's a lot of things that I necessarily wouldn't even think about buying until I get them and give them a chance. And I say, man, that's a really great product. Why didn't I think about getting this in the past? So the product I want to share with you guys today is this set right here. You can see there's a couple missing. I'm going to show you that in a second there. And what this is, these are submersible LED battery-powered candle lights, basically. And I've had some stuff like this in the past, but nothing quite this nice and of this great quality. 20 bucks gets you 10 of these shipped to your door with 2 remotes. Really straightforward. They're completely watertight, you can submerge these, put them wherever you want. Basically, when you get them, they're going to be slightly loose. You just turn them, tighten them up. That'll engage the battery. It has 2 button-sized batteries on the inside, and they're battery-powered remote control LED lights. And these are fantastic. I went ahead and put these in my bathroom where I have my jet tub, where, you know, when you want to take a nice bath and relax. It's nice to have a little bit of candlelight, a little bit of music going. You know, it's you know me, I'm all about relaxing. So I like the fact that I don't have to light candles. I can get that nice glow in some of those candle holders that I have without having to go grab a candle and have the risk of having a flame going. Not that there's a huge risk with that, but I like to be able to just come in there, turn them on, have a little bit of that glow, and turn them off. They're really fully featured too, and they're really bright. Basically, you turn them on. As you can see, you have RGB, which is really nice that you can actually cycle through all the colors. So let's go with red. You have green, blue, kind of like I would consider this is kind of the color I normally use. This one like a kind of a yellowish orange kind of color. You can go yellow, you can go lighter green, kind of a purple, aqua, kind of sort of like a sky blue, sort of a purplish, lighter purple. So you have basically all the colors you really need. You can dim these up or down depending on how you want to use them. You have strobe light, flash, a couple different functions on here. And this is the color that's most important to me, this one here. This one here is pretty much a warm white LED. And a lot of times what sucks about LEDs is when you go and get an LED, you know, for me, I'm not really a real fan of the bright white light. I like more of a warm color light, and that's what I love about those smart bulbs. You can really adjust the color and tune them to exactly how you want them, but it's nice that they have a nice warm LED color in this. And so basically, I'll go ahead and throw one of these in the tub itself. What I'm going to do eventually is put a little double stick tape and stick this on the inside of the tub. And because my jet tub doesn't have any kind of ambient light under the water, these are great. I basically just put that right underneath the water, turn them on. I have a couple of the candles. I have like the blue glowing in the water, just like my hot tub has that RGB LED light, which you get in there at night. You have the beautiful water just glowing. And I can do this now inside my house in my jetted tub. So I think they're great. I mean, for 20 bucks, this is definitely something I would have purchased had they not even sent this to me. You have 3 LEDs. If you do go with the bright white color, let me show you that one there. Just plain white. You do have a natural white color. There's basically 5 LEDs on this here. You have 2 in the middle right here where you have your cool white and then your warm white. And on this, the warm white is actually displayed as a yellow. When you turn it on, you can see this one here is actually the bright white and then the warm white. And then of course you have your other LEDs around this kind of like in a kind of a 3-point configuration there. So you turn those on, those are going to be your brightest ones there when you go ahead and turn on blue. All 3 of those light up blue. But if you just want the white color, it's going to be the LEDs in the middle. So pretty amazing you can get something like this in today. I mean, this stuff, I mean, LEDs back in the day were so expensive, and now this stuff's come down so much in price. It's just amazing what you get for your money. And I gave my mom, they were nice to send me a 2-pack of these. So it's really great that they come with 2 remotes each, because a lot of times either you lose a remote, or in my case, I wanted to give half of them to my mom so she can use them up at the house. And so I gave her a remote, gave her half the pack, and I use these in my bathroom, and I have more if I want to use these, you know, for the holidays or in some of the other fixtures I have downstairs. It's nice to be able to use some of the candle holders I have, but actually using candles, you know, because really I just want to have a little bit of ambient light in certain situations. And this does what it says it does. It works great. The batteries in this here are CR2450 batteries. It says here that these will work up to 36 hours of continuous use. That's a pretty long time. For me, what I use them for is I turn them on for a little while, get in the tub, relax, and then when I'm done taking a bath, I'll turn them off. So that's going to be crucial to how long these last. For me, these are going to last a really long time. Your situation may be different. But if you're on the market for some nice ambient LED submersible waterproof lights, I definitely recommend checking them out. These would be great for the backyard. backyard. Great for, I mean, again, the hot tub, whatever you want to use them for. They're fantastic. So I definitely am pretty impressed by the product. I want to go ahead and thank, I believe it's the company who sent me these is, I couldn't find the email. I'm sure they'll email me, but I believe the company is called What Took, WATOOK. I will find out and put a link in description, and I will put a link to just the ones I did find. I'm pretty sure this is the Amazon listing, so definitely pick them up. Great gift for, I mean, great stocking stuffer. I mean, even though we're not in the Christmas season right now, but great little gift that I think that anybody could find a use for. So check them out. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like the content, subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.